Al-Tamimi on a conference on shaping arbitration in the UAE. My sincere thanks to Al-Tamimi and company for bringing us together and for paving the way for future focused dialogues at the intersection of technology and law. We gather today to reflect on a subject that defines our era, artificial intelligence and legal education. We stand now at the crossroads of two revolutions, a technological revolution that is reshaping how we live, work, and resolve disputes, and an educational transformation, redefining how we prepare the next generation of legal minds. We are not here to debate whether technology will change the legal profession. It already has. We are here to answer a more urgent question. How must we reinvent legal education so that our graduates can lead the future rather than being left behind by it? To understand our direction, we must first recall our roots. For centuries, law schools were temples of texts. They were founded upon codes, doctrines, and the art of interpretation. Students memorized, reasoned, and argued. Law was seen as an abstract science, an education of memory, not imagination. Law schools trained memory, logic, and rhetoric. Then came the 20th century, the century of reform. Law became social, comparative, and practical. Universities introduced clinics, moot courts, and case-based learning. The purpose was to train practitioners who could engage with society, not only recite its status. The mission of the law schools evolved from producing scholars to producing practitioners. And now, in the 21st century, we have crossed into a new frontier, the digital age of law. Algorithms can predict judicial outcomes. Contracts can self-execute through blockchain. Evidence can be generated by artificial intelligence itself, and digital platforms mediate disputes at scale. Law is no longer confined to books or courtrooms. It lives in data, in code, and in systems operating at machine speed. Our students will not only interpret the law, they will design, audit, and regulate the technologies that shape it. This is the true meaning of the digital paradigm. Why legal education must be reimagined? The divide between law and technology is no longer tenable. Every modern legal question, from privacy to competition, from human rights to intellectual property, has a technological layer. Privacy and cybersecurity, human rights in digital spaces, data-driven evidence, and automated decision-making, etc. Therefore, the lawyers of the future must be digital jurists, professionals who combine legal reasoning with technological fluency. We must consequently move from teaching law about technology to teaching law through technology. That means using virtual simulations, digital drafting environments, virtual courts, and AI-assisted research to make learning not only interactive but authentic, mirroring the complexity of the real world our graduates will serve. What should be the basis of the new model for law schools? Four guiding principles can help shape this new model of legal education. Pillar number one, integration, not isolation. Technology cannot remain an elective topic offered at the margins of the curriculum. It must run through the core curriculum, be woven into every course, every case, every discussion. When we teach contracts, we must also discuss smart contracts. When we teach evidence, we must address digital forensics and verified AI-generated data. When we teach criminal law, we must discuss algorithm policing and predictive justice. When we teach arbitration, we must explore online dispute resolution and AI-supported case analysis. Technology is no longer an accessory, it is the new grammar of law. Pillar number two, interdisciplinarity and collaboration. Tomorrow's lawyer will not work work in isolation. They will collaborate with engineers, data scientists, and designers. Thus, law schools must open their doors intellectually and institutionally to other disciplines. Joint projects between law and data science students can yield innovative solutions. Joint labs and cross-disciplinary teams should design legal chatbots for public access to justice, automated compliance tools, or visualization platforms that simplify complex regulations. Such collaboration cultivates creativity, the currency of justice in the digital age. Pillar number 3, experiential and design-based learning. Passive learning must give way to active creation. Imagine law clinics that build AI justice access tools to assist low-income litigants. Courses where students code basic legal algorithms, coding fundamentals for lawyers, AI-reviewed legal writing exercises, mock arbitrations with algorithm decision simulations. Students must become designers of justice systems, architects of justice, not only interpreters of rules. Pillar number 4, ethics and human-centric justice. No reform of legal education and AI integration can succeed without a moral compass. Artificial intelligence raises indeed profound ethical questions. Who is accountable for automated decisions? Can fairness be coded? Should AI predict guilt or innocence? As we teach our students about data and digital systems, we must simultaneously teach them dignity, rights, and responsibility. Technology must serve humanity, never replace it. The lawyer of tomorrow must be the conscious of the machine age. To translate these ideas into reality, law schools can structure their curricula along 3 dimensions. Its foundations are courses introducing technology's legal implications, such as law and technology, data protection, AI and ethics, digital evidence, etc. Applications should be through courses linking legal domain with digital practice, fintech law, e-government, cybercrime, intellectual property in the digital economy, etc. Innovation labs should be introduced to the curriculum or cross-disciplinary workshops where students develop legal tech products and simulate AI-driven litigation. Such pathways create graduates who are not only employable, they are indispensable. For educators, this transformation is not optional. We must reskill ourselves, embrace continuous learning, and adopt digital pedagogy. Institutions must invest in digital infrastructure, partnerships with industry and research hub must expand. Legal education cannot remain confined to the 4 walls of the classroom. It must extend into virtual spaces, real-world platforms, and global networks. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of legal education will not be written by algorithms. It will be written by us. Artificial intelligence may process data faster than we ever could, but it will never replace the human capacity for judgment, compassion, and justice. Our task is to ensure that technology amplifies these values rather than erodes them. Our challenge and our duty is to craft a legal education system that ensures technology advances without betraying the principles that anchor our civilization. If we succeed, we will not only reinvent legal education, we will reaffirm the very essence of law itself to serve truth, to uphold fairness, and to protect what makes us human. Thank you.